The red-wattled lapwing is a medium-sized bird with distinct coloration. Its head, neck, and chest are black, contrasted by a prominent white band running behind the eyes, making it highly noticeable against the dark plumage. A striking red wattle extends from the front of the eyes to the beak, which gives the bird its name. This species is very rare in the wild and is known for its shy and alert nature. It typically inhabits wetlands, ponds, and marshes, and feeds on small animals such as frogs, fish, and shrimp. The red-wattled lapwing is widely distributed, with populations found in China's Guangdong, Guangxi, Hainan, and Guizhou provinces. In 2016, it was listed in the IUCN Red List of threatened species.